Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the best codes that you can use in the Unlinked application. This way you'll be able to jailbreak your Firestick, or in other words, to get hundreds or even thousands of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store. There are all kinds of apps: movies, TV shows, live TV, IPTV players, sports applications, or even adult apps. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked and the best codes for that app. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. So click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My FireTV. Open it. Here you will have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firesticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select FireTV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So open them. Make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to Install Unknown Apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open the Downloader application. There it is, open it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So we click on Home, and in the search bar, we gotta enter a link, which is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's unlinked.link. Here you go, you can see the link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Then we have to scroll down the page until you see that download APK Android button. Let's click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long. Then you have to click on install and wait until Unlink gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and delete once again. This way we save you some free space on your Firestick. After that, we'll have to go to settings once again. Let's go to the settings, go to My FireTV, open it, then go to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time we have to locate Unlinked and turn that option on as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to download other files from the internet. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. Scroll down, and here you'll find Unlinked, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Unlinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Then finally, let's open Unlinked. Here we'll have to click on add a new library, and there we'll be entering the codes. The first code of today is going to be everything, as a word. So yep, just enter everything. Just like that. Enter everything as a word, click on next, and in a couple of moments the App Store is going to open up for you. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available in that App Store. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So what you are going to find here are adult applications, alternative app stores, so you could further jailbreak your Firestick, code-related stuff, live TV applications, IPTV players, movie apps, TV shows, web browsers, all kinds of utility applications and tool applications for your Firestick. So that's a pretty decent app store, hope you like it too. And now let's go back so I could show you a couple more codes for today. So click on the back button on your remote and then add a new library. The second code is going to be 67664537. So once again, the code is 67664537. Click on next and wait until it loads for you. Here I had to blur out my screen for the same reason as previously. Basically, what you are going to find here is a lot of adult applications of all kinds. Then there are anime and comics, so applications that might be suitable for your kids or for yourself if you are into animated stuff. Then a lot of different alternative app stores, VPN applications, code stuff, IPTV players, live TV applications, sports applications, media players, even music players for your Firestick, official Amazon apps, tools, and then movies and TV shows for your device. So there's plenty of apps for you to check out in that app store. Now let's go back and I'll show you the last code of the day. And the last code is going to be Firestick as a word. Yep, so just enter Firestick in the search bar. Let's do it together. Here you go, enter Firestick, click on next. That's one of my favorite codes because the majority of apps here are updated and should work on any Firestick or Android TV device. So here you'll find some adult applications, tools for the Firestick, code stuff, all kinds of live TV applications, sports applications, media players, movie and TV shows applications, quite a lot of them, and then again some sports stuff. So all know that App Store is really decent, and I'm sure you will like it too. So today you learned about the best codes that you can use on the Unlinked application to jailbreak your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.